540%, guys. It's London with Bitcoin Spike. I've got to go over the details on a trade in the back. Congratulations to Anthony. Anthony absolutely killed it on this trade. This is Anthony right there. Bam, VIP. He's been VIP for a while. He's just gotten into futures. Anthony, let's go over the details in terms of that specific trade. Then we'll get an update right here. We'll stream tomorrow night when I make sure people are kind of getting through the work week just fine, and we're trading in the back. In terms of the pickup here, guys, Anthony picked up in this region 125x. Bam. To the upside. We were talking in the back about this rising wedge. Anthony, I really am impressed in terms of your take on this specific, trade. Very impressive. Let's look what he wrote. He was going after it. She seemed bullish after 28,750. He says, I think I'm still learning, etc. She's still beautiful. Yes, she is. Bitcoin's doing great. It says, I'm just learning from the best. I appreciate that, Anthony. Without a doubt. We have the best top trade group. I just know that. Without a doubt. The best, the top, etc. So anyone else who's not trading so far wants to learn about futures, anyone who wants to up their game, maybe you've been burned in the markets, guys. It's a common facet. If you've been burned in the markets, we invite you to join VIP. We're having a lot of success. The best trade group that I know, guys. Honestly, this is London with Bitcoin Spike. In terms of the price action, I want to just reconfirm what we already know. Okay, on the 4 hourly, just pay attention to that 4 hourly. Just to talk about this, very important. Flat top resistance is still there. Ascending line of support is working. It's still, guys. We're working. The bulls are working to keep this price up. I will shout out to anybody with JP Morgan, etc. We do have a few ex-members, etc. in terms of JP Morgan, but they did reconfirm their price target to the upside today. Their price target to 38,000. I have told you that we have an upside price target here to about 35.6. So about 35.6. They gave it to 38. That 35.6 is indicated by the structural framework of the preceding descending wedge. So of course, as you guys know, the step number one is going to be getting price up to this specific level. Let's say this level of resistance just over that $30,000. The $30,000 barrier is going to be crucial. Mind this top level resistance always, guys. Mind that top level resistance. Stop loss is never a bad idea. You guys know that. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. I also want to say absolutely welcome to Marge. Welcome to Marge. We appreciate you being in VIP. We're so excited to have you from Florida. She is, and she's a new VIP. Looking forward to going over futures with you. And I have to say as well that anyone who is looking into futures right now, the link right here, LBANK, you guys can hit that link. It is the best futures platform I've seen. The mobile is extremely smooth. VIP are just slam dunking on this. Hit this link there at the top of the profile. And you'll also see this link here next to Texas. That's so you guys can join if you don't see an immediate button on your desktop computer. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. Let's get up past that 30,000. Let's mine this top resistance. And guys, we don't disagree. I'm going to say we don't disagree, if any, much with JP Morgan. We'll talk to you soon. This is London. Congrats again, Anthony, with Bitcoin Spike.